Alright people, welcome back again on here. So today I'm going to be answering a question. The question is from Freda Shea Clavierstein. I'm so sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. And the question says, who is Ralph Johnson and what did he do to get a ship named after him? Alright, so I'm going to show you all real quick what did he do, who was Ralph Johnson, and what's the ship looking like right now, you know, just a little snippet of what is going on the ship, so you get to at least know what the ship looked like. So let's dive right in.
Introducing the Navy's newest warship, named in honor of a Charleston native, a recipient of the Medal of Honor, an American hero who sacrificed his young life without hesitation to save the lives of his fellow Marines. Swift, silent, deadly. USS Ralph Johnson, DDG 114. Welcome to the fleet.
Ralph was born in the city of Charleston. As a little boy, we would go to the Lincoln Theater, and we came out of the Lincoln, and Ralph saw 3 Marines, and he pulled my hand. He says, you know what? He said, one day I'm gonna wear that uniform.
When a grenade comes in, you either grab it and throw it, you jump on it, or you run. That's all you got chances to do. A lot of grenades came in, but one came right next to me, and Johnson jumped on it and covered it and saved my life.
It was his will, and it was God's will.
And what does sacrifice mean to me? Well, it's life for me, because if he hadn't done it, we wouldn't be having this conversation. So he gave me my life. So I guess I've dedicated my life to trying to go all over the world, the Marine bases, the Army bases, Air Force bases. And I just thank young people for giving what it takes for our freedom and our way of life. And I owe him my life.
The Medal of Honor is the highest medal you can receive. And to me, Ralph had deserved that because he was such a giving person. When you give your life in the way that he did, I mean, what more could you ask?
Man bear 090 true, 629. Man bear 091 true.
Alright, I hope you've been able to learn one or two on the reason why the ship was named after Ralph Johnson. And yeah, if you have any questions in any way, please drop it down in the comments section. You want to share your own ship life experience, feel free to put it in the comments section. I do well to check the comments every single time. Thank you all for supporting, and yeah, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and help me reach other amazing people like yourself. Until next time, keep spreading love.